Imagination is not used to escape reality. It is used to create it. Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on their evolutionary journey. Harness the power of imagination. You see, imagination is what drives the world forward. People applying their imagination and creating. I am the creator. Light warrior, you are the creator. Do not cast aside your imagination because you were told by programming. Imagination is the driving force of creation. All of the messages that I share comes from imagination. Harness the power of your imagination. Harness the power of authenticity. Imagine, dream, and become the person that you came here to be. Imagination is the driving force behind creation. Throughout programming, we are told that this is for children, or we take that ability away from children. Look how the children, how they can imagine and create with ease. But once the programming is done, we lose the power of imagination. Sometimes through our societal programming, we're told that the imagination, that's for fantasy, right? That's to escape reality. Look at this guy over here. He's weird. Thank you. Imagination is the driving force behind creation. Nikola Tesla understood the power of imagination, and he would envision his inventions, and he would sit there and just envision them and put them on paper and then bring them into this reality. Taking the thought and driving it through different realities and bringing it into our reality. So be conscious that imagination is the driving force of creation. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious of the power of imagination. Raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. I am Michael. Find us in the fifth dimension. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. Imagination is the driving force for all of this, so that you can become the person that you came here to be.